Welcome sa panibagong episode ng Madrid Tips. And today, I would like to share with you 4 useful tips on how to get the job you want without experience. And that is by lifehack.org. Number 1 tip, least relevant skills or passion. To avoid common frustrations of getting rejected easily without meeting the hiring manager yet, you have to focus on building your resume and cover letter. Of course, whether you are a new graduate or mag-shift pa lang sa career, panigurado meron ka ng mga naging experience mo sa buhay. For example, when you are in high school or when you're in school, maybe you were part of an organization, you became a leader, or when it comes to communication naman, maybe you were a part before of your school paper. Number 2 tip, consider related side jobs or projects. Experience doesn't necessarily mean na bayad ka or it is a paid job. Usually, kino-consider dito yung mga volunteer works mo, side hustles, yung mga naging projects mo with your friends or family, then pwede mong ilagay yon sa iyong magiging resume. Number 3, don't forget soft skills. Believe it or not, some hiring managers actually hire someone because of their attitude. And you have to consider 3 things on this: your passion, your enthusiasm, and your presence. Number 4, connect the dots. Apart from your interview, your cover letter actually have a big part or have a big chance to really sell yourself with the interview managers. Kailangan pa lang sa cover letter mo, sinasagot na yung mga questions na why you are the best man for the position and why your skills best suit for the position we are looking for. For more Madrid exclusive videos, just click the link below and follow us on our Facebook page, that is facebook.com/MadridPH, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/Madrid Philippines.